Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you my whole Poppet collection and fidget toy collection. So first, and I'm also going to rate them. So first, going on the mochi. It's very squish, but it breaks very quick. It's very squishy and I feel it can stick on the wall too. So guys, look, it sticks on the wall. But don't try to throw it too high or else it'll stay there for a long time and you won't be able to take it out. So, meet you back in the collection. So guys, I rate this mochi actually 80 out of 100 because it's actually a little bit broken from here and there's a hole. Ew. And it's, oh my god, it feels so good. So, rate this 80 out of 100. And the fidget spinner. This is kind of weird fidget spinner, but I will rate it 50 out of 100. It spins nicely, but it stops quickly. Look, I'll show you. Wait for it. Stopped quickly. And in the other side, what the heck? It's not even working in the other side. So I love this. So I rate this half in 50 out of 100. Seriously, I can't even spin it in my hand. Seriously, I don't like this much a lot. But I rate it 50 because it just spins in the ground nicely. So the third fidget is bouncy balls and this slingy. By the way, bouncy balls are not a fidget. They're just a little bit squish, like resin. But they bounce like Omo. I don't want to lose them. Oh no, there goes my ball. Ah! Guys, it went under my desk. Seriously. Guys, so I rate these bouncy balls, oh my god, 1000 out of 100. But one thing, they just keep getting lost. And the slingy breaks very quickly. It used to be a very long slingy, it keeps breaking and getting entangled. But it's so satisfying. It's also a massage for the hand if you play like that. Like a caterpillar. So I rate this 100 out of 100. So put the bouncy balls inside the slingy. So guys, fourth fidget toys are Poppets. So this is my Among Us Poppet. I vote this Among Us Poppet infinity out of 100. Seriously, listen. It sounds so good. Other sound, oh my god, I vote this an infinity out of 100. So third fidget, why do I keep, fifth fidget, it's the swing Poppets. So oh my god, it's rainbow, there's steel also here, and I will vote this 100 out of 100. Seriously, listen. It's not that loud, but it's kind of satisfying. And the other side, it's not, I can't hear, but it's very fun. So let's, the sixth fidget. So guys, it's the square Poppets. So guys, it's fully rainbow. It's like dull colors, but I like it. So first, it sounds great. I sometimes pop it like this. It sounds amazing. And then the other side, it sounds great. So I vote this square puppet 99 out of 100. So the next puppet is in 3, 2, 1. Boom! It's this Pentagon puppet. It sounds just like the square one, and I voted 99 out of 100. So guys, look at the colors. Whee! Do you want to eat this puppet? Just kidding. So this is how it sounds in the back. This was my first favorite puppet. But the Among Us is now my first favorite puppet. This is my second favorite puppet. So I vote this one 1,000 out of 100. I can't stop playing with this one. Sounds so nice. Sorry about that. So guys, the next puppet in 3, 2, 1. It's a circle. So I vote the circle one 90 out of 100 because it sounds great here, but the other side, flip, hardly can hear it. So guys, next coming to the small puppets, which are keychains and simple dimples. So guys, it's this little simple dimple carrot. Okay, so guys, it's this purple kind of simple dimple. So let's hear it. I vote the simple dimple 100 out of 100. It sounds so good. And it's also a keychain. So guys, meet you in the next keychain. So guys, it's a cute mini robot. It's so cute. So I vote this, oh my god, 5,000 out of 100. It's so cute. So guys, meet you in the next keychain. So guys, it's this mini little elephant. It's so cute. I just attached it in the bag, in my favorite bag. So I vote this elephant. I love elephants, so vote this an infinity out of 100. Seriously, it's so pretty pastel colors, and the steel in the bottom on the legs. And this, my best friend Asmi gave this to me. Please subscribe to her channel too. So this is my bag. So meet you in the next keychain. So guys, this is the next keychain. It's the butterfly puppet. It's so cute. So guys, I vote this butterfly 100 out of 100. It's cute. So meet you in the last keychain. So guys, it is this mini little octopus one, and it's so adorable. So I vote this 1,000,000 out of 100. It's so cute. So guys, meet you back in the collection. So guys, now I'm going to show you all my paper fidgets. So first I have this infinity thingy. I don't know what's it called. So let me show you. So I'll turn the camera. Hi guys. So just play with it like this. Now I need to turn it. Oh my god. So guys, it's my first infinity thingy. Now I'm gonna bring the other one. Who is an army over here? Tell us in the comments. I'm a very big fan of BTS and I'm an army. And I purple you. So guys, I made one for my little sister. She's a fan of Hello Kitty. So it's this sunflower. Something I just wrote off. She wanted it. And I actually like this. I made a donut and a Hello Kitty. Looks kind of weird. Sorry about that. Wait. Yeah. Now I made this one in my school. So it's some kind of another BTS one I am. So it's a purple butterfly. It's some kind of rainbow heart. Not rainbow, purple, pink and blue. This heart hand who is doing this. And this BTS sign thing. And I have two more that I want to show you. So I'll bring them both. They are mini ones. So this one is another BTS. So I'll just flip it. There's a BTS tree. Now this is the hand. And this purple heart. And the same BTS sign. So let me keep it back. And this is the most miniest one. OMG. It's this small. Almost the size of my thumb. So guys, it's first this happy face, then this love face, and this sad face, and one angry face. So guys, now I have only one last paper fidget, so I'm going to show you. So guys, it is these paper balloons. Let me bring them all here. So guys, I'm going to show you them. So guys, I'm going to turn the camera. And guys, so it's how this works. This just got blown and it can deflate. I made some more. So I'm having fun blowing these. And guys, please, I'm just reminding you, it's my birthday coming soon, so I'm gonna make a video of that. The last one. Eh? Sometimes it doesn't work. Much better. Now I'm going to deflate them. Squish. Okay. Other one squish. Actually, I'm having fun squishing all of them. So guys, I'm going to meet you back in my collection. So guys, please like, share and subscribe, and please comment down below, and bye. Oh, and guys, I forgot to tell you, I'm also going to give you some drawing tutorials, so please watch them. Okay, bye.